Well, hello, Miss Lynn. I just wanted to give you a quick video of the honeysuckle that I told you about. Just wanted to point out the community real quick. All of this green space up here is taken care of by the HOA, so you would not have to take care of any of this. That's the road, so you're pretty far set off. But the only part that you would be responsible for maintaining is a tiny little strip past this foliage right here. See it? This and your plants. Also wanted to show you this beautiful porch that's totally usable. I mean, it's like probably 8 foot. Lots of space. Let's go on in. So coming in your front door, you have this very open concept living room with gorgeous hardwood floors. This is where you also have access to the upstairs with matching treads. Here's your coat closet. And it opens right up to your dining area, as well as your kitchen with a big, beautiful granite countertop island. You also have some upgraded cabinetry up here at the top. Take a look at that gorgeous granite. Very pretty. You have a single open mount sink. A gas stove with microwave vent hood, and your dishwasher is built into the island. You have pull-outs in the cabinets, and this feature has soft close cabinetry. Your island, or your pantry, is quite large in this honeysuckle model. But your sight line from the kitchen is amazing. You can definitely entertain all 8 of your children. Here's that office nook that we talked about. We don't really want you doing a lot of work. We want you to have fun. This first room is your powder room. Hey, Miss Lynn. And again, your floors carry out. You have a second closet here for coat closet, because a lot of times you're going to be coming in through this back door, which is where your garage is at. This is a 2-car garage, and this is your yard space. And again, you don't have to take care of the path that's on the other side of those bushes, because that's covered by the HOA. But you also have 2-car garage and an extra parking pad. Back inside, this is your laundry. Quite large. Could do some cabinetry in here. And then here is your master suite downstairs. That's a queen size bed, but still lots of room on each side of those nightstands to put in a king if you wanted it. You have tile on the floor in the in the master bathroom, and recessed lighting, as well as cultured marble countertops. This is your powder room for your bathroom for the master separate room. And then here's your closet. Lots of space. Could definitely do some shelving up there, or even put some more racks in. Oh, and just to let you know, that is real tile that's going on up around your extended shower with a little seat in there. And as you can see, you can kind of see some curve of the cultured marble. You have a little bit of veining in there. Let's go upstairs. All right, so we're climbing up the stairs, and you do have a little platform before you make this turn, and you come straight up in your loft space. Great for home movie theater, or maybe a little rec room, crafts. And then off of this space, you have another storage closet. Saussy Burbank really tries to give you as much closet space behind the walls. They don't want to keep it from you. Again, off to your left is another full bedroom. My light is, there's so much light in here, it's messing with my camera lens. And it has a walk-in closet. Mirroring on the other side of the loft area is another bedroom. Pretty much exactly the same. Minus, I think, a window. And this one also has a walk-in closet. Upstairs, you also have a full ensuite. Full bath with tile floors. This one has a tub insert and surround. You have window seals with trim work, and again, cultured marble with a white on white finish. Just to let you know, this is the same kind of layout that you would see in the hydrangea. This would be what your upstairs would look like, with the bedroom, the loft, and bedroom with a bathroom, all of which have walk-in closets. We have fantastic amenities here with beautiful walking paths and lovely inside parks. They also have fountains. Here is your gorgeous pool space. We also have several play parks for you to choose from for different age group of children. One of our biggest amenities are our lakes on the premises. We have 3, one of which is 95 acres, and all of the lakes are fully stocked, so you can